Are you freaking out, but you're frustrated because you can't get through your day at your home because of ADHD? But I want you to know that I get it. I want to help. Here are some things that you can do to make your home ADHD friendly. When you go through your clothes every day trying to figure out what you're going to wear, but you keep coming across things that you never wear, you just have them in your closet. They are taking up space, but they actually serve no purpose because you never are wearing those clothes. What are you going to do with those clothes? The suggestion that I'm going to make is to actually declutter the clothes that you never wear, because there's just no reason to have them there if they are not serving a purpose for you. We cannot forget about all those clothes you have for special occasions in your closet, but you have not worn them because that occasion has not come up. You're just holding it in your closet until that time. But that's not a good thing, because those things are clutter until the time of the special occasion. And if it's a special occasion really far out, then you're holding on to clutter for a really long time. Find a place where you can put your keys, your phone, your wallet, or purse every day. It's a designated spot. But why would you want to do this? Because those are the items that you want to keep track of, because those items are the most common things lost. But also, it's especially a common thing when you have ADHD. I'm going to guess that you've probably lost one of these things, or maybe all of them at one time or another. But I'm also going to say that you probably are super frustrated when you actually lose these things, with all the time you actually have to spend looking for these things. Because spending time looking for these things can make you late. But what if you had never lost them? That is why you put them on what's called a landing pad, a launch pad. That is the designated spot where you put these things every day. Here's something that will help with one of the most common situations with ADHD. Put things away as you use them. Have you ever used something, put it down somewhere, forgot about it, went and did something else? When you get back, you realize you have not put that thing away. But if it's only one thing, it can't be that bad, right? But what if it gets to the point of 5 things, 10 things, 15 things? Your home then begins to get very cluttered really easily. Did you know that every item in your home needs a designated spot for that item? But why is this important? Because with ADHD, losing things is a big issue. You want to have somewhere that item goes so you know exactly where it goes. But here's a very important second part to this. When you're going around trying to figure out where something goes initially, or you find something out of place and want to take it back to its spot, look for things that might be clutter, because you will find some that are way out of place, that are random items that you know you do not need. Go ahead and declutter those things as you're going around figuring out where stuff goes. But check this out. Here's a really cool part of this. You're doing it as a part of another process. You're not adding any extra time really to do it. You're just taking a quick glance to see if there's anything that might be clutter that you need to throw away. When you have to fold laundry, and we all do, but you hate folding laundry, there is an alternative. You can roll your laundry, rolling your t-shirts, your washcloths, your towels. This is a good method for that. One of the great things about it is it takes up less space, because you are putting things into a roll instead of laying them flat, taking up a lot more area in your closet. But here's one of the great reasons to do this. I think personally, it's easier to roll whatever you're trying to roll rather than fold it. But an even more cool benefit of this is your roll does not have to be perfect. It looks neat all of the time, no matter how you really rolled it. This is really important to have inside your home, some type of clear container or clear bin. But why do you need them? The reason is, when you have stuff inside these containers, inside this bin, you can see exactly what is inside without having to rely on your working memory for you to sit there, go through everything, trying to remember what's inside that item. But why is that important? Because with ADHD, out of sight, out of mind is a very real thing a lot of the times. What this means is if you cannot see that thing inside that container, you may forget about that it's even in there. But here's one of the best things: it saves you time and saves you frustration, because if you need to find something, much easier to look inside a container that's clear than have to go through and search through multiple containers to try to find the thing you want to get to. Sometimes you just want more space, but you're not sure how to get that space. I have two suggestions: one, a rolling clothes rack; two, a rolling cart. But why are these good? Because they actually do allow you to take things out of your closet, out of your kitchen, out of your bathroom, and put them on these different items so that you are freeing up that space that you need for other things. But that's only one good part. The other good part is that they roll. So that means you can take these things anywhere in your home, wherever you need them. You can roll them there and actually have access to whatever is on them. But wait, there's even more. You can actually prep these things. So if you have to do something in your bathroom, you need to have all your bathroom cleaning stuff and everything, you can have it pre-prepped on the rolling cart. Make sure you're taking advantage of any tech that you can. But why is that really important? Because it allows you to actually delegate whatever task that you do not want to do to that technology instead of you having to do it. For example, get a Roomba. Let that little robot run around and do all the vacuuming for you while you have the advantage of doing something else. Figure out what tech works best for you, but keep doing the things that you enjoy. You do not have to use tech for everything. But do not wait to check out this next video, which is about ADHD decluttering hacks that actually work. I give you 10 different hacks that you can use today that will work. That video will come up on the screen just in a second. Go ahead and click it.